Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the WORX WG217. It's a 4.5 amp electric Hedge trimmer. It is 24 inch in length. So this one has a rotating cutting head for comfortable side hedge cutting. So you can rotate either left or right 180 degree. And this one has a 3-4 inch cutting diameter. And this one has an inline motor design, delivers improved balance and control. This is what the Hedge trimmer is going to look like. There's a QR code right there, you can scan it. And this one offers like 3 years limited warranty. So last time I showed you guys, the seller sent me this nacho cheese sauce instead. So I found a case and he tried to change the story saying this is as a gift, so I don't know. And somehow the label still shows to Tina Burke. I'm not sure why. Here's a specification again. It's kinda ripped right here. This is a lightweight, compact design. And this one has a cord retention system, prevent accidentally power disconnect. That's a hook right here. You need to wrap around like that for your extension cord. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox this. Yeah, let me go get my tripod and then box blade. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright, so there's a switch right here. You need to press it down. Okay, and then this is the guard. Press it, and then you gotta press the trigger. If you don't press the top, if you don't press this one right here, you cannot press this trigger to get the power. And here's the user manual, warranty cards, this one's the 120 volt. Yeah, it's better to wear the glove and then goggle or safety glasses. And you need to put some oil to lubricate it. Oh, let's see. You need to press this button down to rotate left or right. Okay. So this is the guard right here. I'll probably need to unscrew this screw because this cover got stuck in here. And this is the plug. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.